Show. Today we're gonna smash this head from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre because the whole point is Kirk gets smashed in the head with a hammer by Leatherface when Kirk runs to the thing, trips. You see? Now we're gonna be using a foam head because this is the only one we could find.
We're gonna go ahead and
ahead and recreate the scene, and then we are going to take the hammer and whack it in the head. So let's do it. Okay, I'm all in costume. Now let's do this. Okay, so that is the result. Now you see, we got this over here, and then you see, then the eye is right here, okay? So then we got the eye right here. It didn't pour out of the eye, but I did get a good hit though.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, this is the type of progress. It's oozing down. So yeah, it's kind of dripping down, you know? Well, this is our first video, or this is just a practice test, and we're gonna be making new videos soon. See you next time on Landon's Horror Show. Goodbye.